Hello guys, welcome to the channel. For many with God's grace, we do have the two variants of the Iqoo Z10, and this is called silver, or specifically called glacial silver, and this is the black color called stellar black. So we are going to unbox both of them and going to check which is the best color for the latest Iqoo Z10. So which one should I start? So I think the silver color. Yeah, so guys, let's start off from the silver color. Let's keep it aside. So let's start off. Okay, so we are getting one more seal over here. So either you can just peel off like this. It's really simple, so you can see it comes with a white logo as well. So okay, so this is the packaging, and here is the silver color phone and the box contents. Let's see. So here we are getting the case. That's a transparent TPU case, which is of just decent quality, but still it's in the box. And we are getting the important information and warranty card, and then the quick start guide, and the 90-watt adapter, which is a USB type A, and you can see flash charge Vivo's adapter, and the maximum returns you can, if you observe really close, you can see. So 11 watt into 8.2 ampere. Let's see. So 11 watt into 8.2 ampere equal to 90.2 watts. So that's over there. And then a USB type A to type C data cable. So okay, you can see USB type A to USB type C, and a SIM ejector tool. So here is the phone. Wow. So actually this doesn't weight, as this is 7300 mAh of battery on this phone. So let me take it up. So the glacial silver, or simply the silver color. So this is not just a plain silver. You can see this type of a pattern on over here. I will just give you a closer look. Okay, you can see a pattern like a cloudy misty type of pattern over here, like a wind or something like that. Anyways, it looks nice. You can see. Okay, and the camera module, it's written as spherical or AS portrait and all, and you can see the flash ring, and the left side, the top, the left, and it comes with a pre-applied what do you call screen protector, which is a plastic one. So now let's compare with the stellar black color. So this is the stellar black color of the Iqoo Z10, and you can see there is a lot in difference between these two. So we can see this is really a matte, super matte finish, same as this guy, but this does not have any patterns like as we see now. You can see a sort of pattern versus it's a completely clean matte finish over here, and you can see this Iqoo logos, both of them, and on this black it's a bit more prominent than this guy. And if you clearly observe this camera rings, there is also a bit difference. Actually you can't see the camera because of the black color, and this is also black, but over here did this silver color inside the black color. This is a quick identify and a fancy eye-catchy on the camera ring itself. And one more thing is there. So if you look at this outer ring, there is also a minor design, and this is like the normal stainless steel silver color, versus here on this black color we are getting almost a dark grayish silver over here. That's a minor difference. And apart from that, if you look at this right sides, and it's I think because of this silver color, this feels a bit more premium if you look in that way, because just by the color. And you can see the top of both of them, and the sides, left sides and the bottom. Felt like the glacial silver is a bit more premium. And if you look straight wise, this feels completely black, versus its prominent borders, like light silver borders we can feel even if we look from the front side. So that's also a minor noticeable thing. One more thing is that actually this both of them boasts 7300 mAh of battery, but still weighs below 200 grams. Yes, this is 199 grams and a perfect even distribution. We couldn't felt that weight. And if you do like this won't wobble like this, but if you do on the top, this does the wobble on both of them. And one more minor thing is there. Actually, if you look the dimensions of the phone, let me have a idea. So if this length, if you ask me, it's 16.340 centimeter. This is same for both of them, and on the top this is 7.640 centimeter. That is also same for both of them. But if you look the thickness, there is a very negligible minor difference, but I would say to you, because on the stellar black it's 0.793 centimeter versus on the glacial silver it's 0.789 centimeters. So this is a minor more sleek than the black guy. The black guy is a bit more thicker, that but really negligible, but still I'm gonna mention that. Wish to see how it gonna looks with the case, and I will give you a quick idea of that as well. And it also gets the USB port cap as well, so no dust or any particles will enter, so that's a great. So this is how it looks with the case. Still I prefer this silver in my preference, and if you are a black lover, then this is for you guys, and completely neutral, no fancy stuff. It's a completely neutral color, so looks stunning in all sides, no fancy stuffs around. Dark grays, always the premium black. That's it for the black versus a eye-catchy, a sort of eye-catchy, not that fancy as we've seen, but still an eye-catchy with this camera ring, and the colors feels a bit more premiumness if you look in that way for the color. So in my preference, I'd like a bit glacial silver than the black color. So that was it regarding the quick color comparison of the Iqoo Z10 5G, the glacial silver versus the stellar black. So guys, that's today's signing off. It's Phone Mania.